Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best electric bikes in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 3. KBO Breeze Electric Bike 500 W e-bike 48 V16A removable battery 55 Ni range 300 lbs payload 27.5 2.4 commuter e-bikes for adults 25 mph Shimano 7-speed system 5H fast charge. Ride your Breeze to work daily. Perfect shoes for kilometers because of three biggest advantages: 55 miles long range / 300 lbs payload / but a bike only 62 lbs. 55 miles long range electric bike. KBO Breeze allows riders to travel up to 55 miles per charge with 0-5 level pedal assist. 48 V16 768 W big battery capacity. Calculation formula for battery capacity. W equals V asterisk A. 768 W equals 48 P asterisk 16 A. A larger W value can help you ride longer distances. 500 W EXCLNT motor ability. KBO brushless 500 W motor peak 750 yaw. Provides a 25 miles per hour top speed and smooth riding even on 25 degrees slope. Keep climbing without losing power. Ride just like the Breeze. Number 2. Jetson Bolt Folding Electric Ride-On, easy folding, built-in carrying handle, twist throttle, up to 15.5 mph, ages 13+. Max range 15 miles. Explore your neighborhood or enjoy your commute all on a single battery charge. Take charge includes rechargeable lithium-ion battery with twist throttle and rubber tires. Lightweight frame. The steel alloy frame is lightweight and sturdy, supporting up to 265 volts and made for everyday use. On the go, easily take it up and down stairs, slide it under your desk, or tuck it away at home with the collapsible handlebar. 250-watt motor. Zip around town in style with the Bolt's powerful yet quiet motor. LED headlight. The LED headlight shines bright on the path ahead of you. Safe riding is our top priority, making you look. Number 1. Jason EB5 electric bike for adults with 360 W removable battery. 40 miles 20 mph commuting electric mountain bike. With 350 W brushless motor, 7-speed, 26 tires and front fork suspension. 350 W motor and upgraded display. The EB5 electric bike equipped with a 350 W brushless motor, boosted a top speed of 20 mph. The LCD display panel has adjustable backlight brightness from 1 to 5 levels. In addition, upgraded LCD display provides more powerful data support, such as accurate percentage power display, OKIO RT/max/AVG speed. PAS mode can be customized up to 3 mode. Removable large battery. The EB5 e-bike is equipped with 360-watt lithium-ion battery, which covers a range of up to 25 to 40 miles per charge for 5 to 6 hours, so that it can meet travel or daily commute needs. Removable battery makes charging more convenient whether you are at home or in the office.